Hello. Today we're going to show you how to make ice cream in a bag. It's an easy process, and the best part is you get ice cream. Now, this will not be a lot of ice cream, but you'll be able to see the process and we'll be able to get a good taste. First, let's get everything we're going to need together. As you can see, it doesn't take much to make this tasty snack. You'll need a half cup of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and if you like some other flavor, you can substitute that in for the vanilla. 1 zip top sandwich bag, 1 zip top gallon bag, ice, and you'll need enough to fill up the gallon bag halfway. 6 tablespoons of rock salt. As you see here, I don't have rock salt, so I'm using kosher salt, and that works just fine. Oh yeah, and you'll need one more thing. Someone to do all the work. Meet Colin. He turned 5 years old today, and he loves ice cream, so let's put those muscles to work. The first thing Colin needs to do is to place the half cup of whole milk into a zip top bag. Then he'll add a tablespoon of sugar and a half teaspoon of vanilla. Now he's going to seal the bag, and this is a really important step. You can imagine the mess that it would make if he missed this step and he started to shake it up. So make sure it's sealed very tightly. Then put the bag on the side. Now, grab a large gallon-sized bag and fill it halfway with ice. Then you'll want to add the rock salt. Ice cream mix begins to freeze at 27 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 3 degrees Celsius. In order to make the bag cold enough, you have to get it to that temperature or below that temperature. Ice made from regular water is just not cool enough to keep the container at the temperature it needs to be. That's because once ice melts, the melt water is warmer than 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Salt water, however, has a lower freezing temperature. A saturated salt solution freezes at negative 6 degrees Fahrenheit. When salt is put on the ice, it dissolves on the ice's watery surface. In the process, heat is absorbed. The salt also causes the ice to melt quickly, another process that absorbs heat from the surroundings. The slushy ice mix, salt mix, remains well below the temperatures necessary to freeze ice cream. Now you will need to place the sealed sandwich bag inside the gallon bag with the salty ice and zip it up. Zip it up tight. Now start shaking. And this process takes about 5 minutes. Which isn't a long time, but is really cold, so you might have to elicit some other help if you need it. And voila, we now have ice cream. Now, it's not as thick as the store-bought ice cream, but it's definitely ice cream, and it's definitely yummy. You could also stick it in the freezer to firm it up if you wish. Bon appetit!